Struggling to keep tabs on where your team's time is going? Let's dive into how to track your full members' time effectively using Clockify. First, navigate to the Team tab on the left-hand side of your Clockify workspace. This is where you'll see a list of all your team members and their associated roles. Each team member's profile will show you a summary of their recent activity, including the projects they've been working on and the total hours they've tracked. Click on a team member's name to view a more detailed breakdown. Here, you'll find a comprehensive view of their track time. You can see a list of all their time entries, the projects and tasks associated with each entry, and the duration of each session. Use the filter options at the top to narrow down the results by date range, project, or even specific tags to get a more focused view of their time allocation. To gain broader insights, head over to the Reports tab. You can generate detailed reports that show time tracked by team member, project, and more. Customize your report by grouping the data in different ways, filtering by specific users or projects, and choosing the metrics that are most important to you. These reports are crucial for understanding productivity, managing project costs, and ensuring accurate billing. With Clockify, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your team's efficiency. That's how you effectively track your full members' time in Clockify. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.